random structure without without any bias. Okay, he just define that to this area. Okay, he go to 5 minute, he go to 1 minute, he go to like he look for the unconsumed formations inside this area, and he wait for the reactions on New York session like that. So what is that? Can you teach me that?
Let me go to that area, to that part. It is Euro USD, is it?
He used Bitcoin.
What?
He used Bitcoin. Bitcoin. You can't hear me properly?
Bitcoin.
Yep.
Networking. Networking. Which
So
time frame?
here, him, he always use 4 hour.
For how?
Yeah.
Which part? You can annotate it.
I don't remember it's way long, but he always used that method to trade using a liquidity consumption.
Okay, anyway, let me remind you on how the market just performing liquidity consumptions. First of all,
Okay.
we have several structures within the liquidity area that can affect the rate of consumption of liquidity. And if you remember, in my book, I just noted, I think it was almost 5 examples of several structures that are very important during a consumption. I told you that sometimes you can meet the market just giving you a structure in a specific constant time frame or in a specific liquidity area. You can meet structures just with liquidity engineering, and they also meet
Okay.
with the trend. It means what? You see the market just creating a structure like this, high, low, then liquidity engineering, then trend somewhere here. And also sometimes you can see the market just giving you structure with liquidity engineering and the inside formation like this way. And then
Yes.
also sometimes you can see the market just giving you only inside formations within a specific trend like this. And also sometimes you can
Yes,
see the
please.
market is giving you liquidity engineering, inside formation, and outside formation like this.
Yes.
And sometimes you can see the market is just giving you a double a double inside formation like this way. And there is a lot of, plenty of examples of how liquidity area are just formed. So on these few examples, the markets have several tendencies or has a different tendencies of making a consumption of liquidity according to how the structure is formed. Starting with the first structure or the first example here, if you see the market just giving you a liquidity engineering within a specific trend, just what you need to do is just to refine this area from this part here up to this part. You need to refine some formations because sometimes the market will come to react here in this liquidity engineering, and sometimes the market will come to take some sub formations in a lower time frame in this what in this overflow right here altogether.
Yes, brother.
And sometimes you will see or will meet the market just giving you liquidity engineering and also giving you an inside information. What to do in this scenario? Here you will only focus with this inside information. The market won't come to this liquidity engineering. It will end in this inside information. Remember, we need to see these structures or these formation in a constant time frame, not in a situation one time frame. It is in a constant time frame. if you see this in a situation one time frame, just the market will come to this to this liquidity engineering. But if it happens in a constant time frame, the market will end here in this inside formation. So your work here is just to mark these inside formations, and you will refine it in a lower time frame to find some entries, either some formation or whatever and whatever. Are we together?
Yes, brother.
And also sometimes you will see the market just giving you the trend like this, but before breaking this trend, the market just giving you an inside formation. Here you will only focus with this inside formation. The market will come to this what? To this inside formation to consume liquidities. And
Okay.
again, sometimes you will see the market just giving you liquidity engineering, inside formation and outside formation. Where the market will go? The market directly, it will come to this inside formation. It will ignore this outside formation, and also it won't come to this liquidity engineering. It will come directly to this inside formation. So here you will refine this inside formation to find either your sub formation or your entry like liquid engineering and whatever. So the market will come here and then it will go up. And for this last
Okay, brother.
scenario, there is a lot of scenario, but today I will only discuss these simple scenarios. In this scenario, when the market is just giving you double inside information or a lot of inside information like this way, where the market will go. In this scenario, right, we will go to the last formation that was not consumed. In this case, the last formation is this one. So the market will ignore this, the first inside information, and it will come direct to this last inside information like here. So here you will refine this one, you will refine this formation. But in case if the market where if the market could consume this formation at least for 50%, if this formation could be consumed 50%, then the market won't come here. It will come back to this formation that will not consume. But as long as the market will not consume this formation, it will come directly to this area to take the liquidities and then it will go up bottom up.
Okay, good.
So those are important things to consider when you need to find or when you're looking for a good consumption like that. Are you together?
That's good. Before going to the next question, here is my friend Hemant. He's also from India. He also very familiar with these concepts, but our mentor just scammed him.
No
So
problem.
I
He can
just
join.
tell about you.
He can join because this is the free.
He just joined here.
You already joined it.
So yeah, he is in the session. So coach, you're still maintaining that 70% accuracy.
What?
So still your accuracy was 70%.
I don't understand you well. You can repeat it.
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So still your accuracy was 70%.
I don't understand you, brother, well. So you can write your question maybe
So what's your accuracy, brother?
in this strategy. It
Yeah,
depends on
I know
market
you said
condition.
me 70%.
It depends on the market condition, brother. Some
Okay,
weeks,
I will write my
some weeks, I can go even 50%, sometimes in 70%. And sometimes even 45%. If you review the book that I sent to you, reviewing the concept, or meaning the concept of risk management, you can see that month my accuracy was almost 45%. I mean 47%. So it depends on the market's condition, brother. It is not a constant. I saw it. I saw it. I will answer you privately.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, is
Any
there
other question?
anything else, coach, you want to?
Any other question?
My question was like, just show me some examples or something like new,
Okay.
not very secret. Just tell me some thing which you invented. There is no one else here other than me, other guys, or maybe offline.
Uh,
So, coach, I had some questions bias actually. Still, I have problem to to understand the bias. Like, uh, t- go to weekly or monthly time frame or 3 month time frame in EU.
yeah, it is a very difficult things for a lot of traders to just to identify the market buyers. Even some pro traders, they face a lot of difficulties and the problems in identifying the buyers. But whenever, whenever you see it, because one day, remember, I told you that the best thing or the best way of knowing the trend or knowing the bus, just don't consider the previous information here. Don't consider the previous information. Consider the current price action, what the market is telling you right there. And to know it, just look
Okay,
only the break of market structure. Find the area where the market break is structure. That is your starting point of your analysis. If you see the break of market structure, as it start to find where the market will turn here to take those liquidities here, I mean in this liquidity area. And we will know the area or the starting point of the market to make a consumption once we look on the left. I think we remember well about the expression 3.
yeah,
Yeah, so you will start considering the expression 3 to find the area where you will start to what? To drop here down. So the first thing to consider just the break of market structure. And I can advise you focus
okay.
only with the either monthly or weekly break of market structure. This is your direction. This is your major direction there.
Okay.
Don't consider much for our daily. This is just like a noise in the market. Consider much this monthly and the weekly time frame.
So daily and H4s are most likely like entry levels, like entry liquidity levels, right?
You will use daily and 94 just for, I mean, for intraday buyers that will follow the liquidities of monthly and the weekly time frame. Our entry always started from
Okay.
1 hour up to 1 minute there. Are we together?
Yes. So here you just cleared my question now. In 3 month time frame in Euro USD, I saw market was reacting somewhere from here. You know, I was confused. What is the market bias right now? One of my friends said the market will buy from there. It's just
Okay, let me start it from
coming for
monthly
a
time frame.
retracement.
Let's start it from monthly time frame to identify
Okay,
the buyers in Euro USD.
okay,
Yeah, current right here, you can see that the market just performed a shifty here, and within this shifty, we have these inside formations, but within this inside formation, we have this what? We have this another formation. So if you remember, once I told you about liquidity consumption, first, we can treat this as only a trend. We can treat this as a trend. And within this trend, we have this what? Have this inside formation within this major trend. So here we will turn our eyes,
Yes.
or we will only focus with this inside formation to look for the market reaction, how the market will react within this inside what? Within this inside formations. We'll come to see the market reactions right there. So and also, before this inside formation, we can see that the market just gave us this zone right here. Let me mark it. The market just gave us this zone. We have a plenty of rejection right here. First rejection, second rejection, this rejection. Then before break of this rejection, the market gave us this what? They gave us this CM, as you can see. Then once you go to weekly time frame to see what is inside this camouflage in weekly time frame, the market just offered us a very good trend. I mean, a very good structure right here. You can see the market just gave us this structure. But firstly, the market came
Yeah.
and reacted within that structure, and after that, it came again to this inside formation that we saw from monthly time frame.
Yes, brother.
So this camouflage already gave us a reaction. Now we will focus with this inside formation. And you can see the market reacted well within that inside what? Within that inside formation. So after the market tapping this inside formation, also here down, we can see that the market gave us this trend, gave us this break of market structure right here. So even though we see this candle just came to make a consumption here down, but we won't ignore it because there is a plenty of areas here down are not yet consumed. So there is a probability of the market to come here down again, and either it will come to violate this trend or it will come just to make a consumption here within this liquid area and continue going there back. What's our work or what our duty right here is just to find the violation of the trend from the coordinated timeframes and the FTA's timeframe. We'll mark this highest point right there and find the area where the market performed is shifted from the daily timeframe. Once we go to the daily timeframe, yeah, in daily time frame, we can see this was the highest point or the reclaim point. And then let's find the area where the market can perform a shift. We can see that the market just gave us this last break of market structure. And once we go in a weekly time frame for the verification, in a weekly time frame, we can see it is a valid break of market structure as you can see right there. So
Yes.
we will still use this as a break of market structure. Right here, the market just gave us this what? It gave us this trend, I mean, this inside information. And from
Yes.
that inside information, also, we see a very precious liquid area here above, right here.
The long week rejection.
Yes, Baba. So there is a high probability of the market to come here in these long projections. And then after that, we will find the possibility of the market to drop further down, or if the market want to give us any changes, we will still going up. Are we together?
Yes.
So this is the daily time frame. Before going to 1 hour, we will go also to FTA time frame to see what FTA is telling us. And our FTA here is a weekly time frame.
Yes, brother.
Yeah. Once you come here in a weekly time frame, No any changes just happened right here. The market just gave us this trend, it break a structure right here. And also, this is just like an engulfed structure. Once you come to this area, I mean to this breakout to, and once we go into monthly time frame to see if this was a valid structure or not, we can see this was not a valid structure. So maybe this breakout from the structure that happened here, it will be valid because of some criteria that I taught you.
Yeah, I remember.
So this one was a valid break of market structure, and our invalidation point was this one here down. As long as the market didn't perform any shift right here, we want to say that the market will come here down in the FTA time frame. As long as the FTA rejected their buyers, we want to sell, I mean, we want to hold the selling trade in Euro USD until weekly time frame violate the trend as how daily time frame did. Are we together?
Yes, brother.
Okay. But also within this weekly time frame, we can see that the market they gave us this trend right here. You can see the break of market structure. Do you see it?
This is like FTA break, right?
Yeah, in FT time frame, you see this.
I mean a lower time frame.
What?
This is a lower time frame break of structure, right? This is just a break on weekly.
Yeah, it is a
It's
break
not
of
a
structure in a
structure.
weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame. I mean, this is the liquidity area in a weekly time frame. So we will just define the possibility of the market to drop here down. You remember which expression can be applied right here?
On this for sells or for buys.
We will apply expression 3, a normal area of liquidity, because we can see the market just gave us this normal area of liquidity. So before deciding to drop here down, we need to find either area of interest or area of consideration. Do you remember?
Yes, brother.
So we'll go to daily time frame to find if there is any area. I mean, in weekly time frame, we don't see any area of interest. So we will go to a daily time frame to find if there is an area of consideration.
Yeah.
Here we can see we have this area of consideration. Do you see? Do you see it?
Yes, brother.
So
This is
any
also.
shift, any shift in 84 time frame will be valid to us. And we will use that just to drop here down in a weekly area of liquidity altogether. So let's mark this highest point,
Yeah.
and then let's drop to 4 hours time frame to find any shifting. Here in 4 hours time frame, you can see this was the last break of market structure, and the market just came and performed a shifty in this area, as you can see. So the shifty happened right here. After this shifty, the market just gave us this inside information, and the market already take the liquidity or take the entry from that road, from that inside information. Do you see the screen?
There is internet issue from my side. Yeah, I can see now.
Yeah, so right here, the market just take the entry from this inside formation, as you can see. That entry, then the market now, we will go to FTA time frame. I mean the time frame between, I think a time frame between H4 and the weekly, that is the daily time frame. So we need also to work the shift in a daily time frame just to join the move up to this weekly area of liquidity. Are we together? So let's find the area where the market will perform a shift in the daily time frame. Can you spot right here where the market will perform a shift in the daily time frame?
Me,
Yes, bro.
I see this one.
Yeah, very good. So right here, we will wait the market to come in this invalidation point just to give us the shift. Or otherwise, if the market will give us a hidden shift, then we will ignore this inflation point and we will focus on that hidden shift. But for now, we will only deal or will only wait the market to come and violate this what this invalidation point in a daily time frames. Are we together?
Yeah.
After violation of this trend, then we will find the liquidities here in a weekly area of liquidity that we saw right there. Let me find how this trade was taken from daily time frame. After seeing this trend in daily time frame, then we will wait a shift in 1 hour's time frame. 1 hour's time frame just perform the shift right here, and it gave us inside information right here. The first entry was taken here, but the FTA of 1 hour in the daily is at 4 time frame. As long as I mean once at 4 times performed another shift for the daily rate of liquidity. For the daily rate of liquidity, that's why the market came again to swipe the previous highest point right there. The FTA scenario looks have some sort of complexity, but you need to be well, to train well your mind to understand this concept of FTAs.
I
Also get
think
the
I need another 6 months to practice this, brother. It's like again, it's like learning something new for me.
God will be on your side, brother.
Yes, brother, thank you from my side. Questions are clear. Just you need to clear the one question which I asked you in the chat. Don't forget, please reply that on my WhatsApp.
Okay, but I think 7 minutes remain. Any other questions before we cancel this meeting?
For me, the main problem is psychology. If
Psychology.
you gave any tips on that, yeah.
Which part of psychology do you think it is a very problem to you?
A whole psychology is problem, brother. To be honest with you.
Because I told you that we have only, I mean, the major three psychological problems in trading. Do you remember? The first thing is fear. Second thing is greed. And the third thing is revenge.
I have all these three, brother. FOMO, greed, and everything.
Very sorry about that. The only way or the best way to overcome this psychological problem just to use a trading plan. Create your own rules.
Yeah, I have that. I have your trading plan.
Having trading plan is not enough. After creating your trading plan, just respect it. Respect your trading plan very well. Don't do anything that is out of your trading plan. Are you together?
Okay. Yeah. Mhm. So thank you so much, brother. It's just 5 minutes left on this session, and
Okay,
there's no
bro.
other guys of us.
Okay, bro. See you next time.
Okay, awesome. Okay, brother. All right, I'm leaving the session. Thank you. Don't forget to message me in WhatsApp.
Thank you too, bro.
about the question. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.